Hey guys! So I'm hoping to God you can hear me because it's quite windy. So we have found a random stop up last night and I have to show you. And when you drive through, you can see there's a few motorhomes here already. But all this road, all the way down, is all free to park. They're lovely, the people are lovely here. There's a big huge green, there's a boating lake, there's a cafe, there's toilets. But yeah, it's been a lovely park up. I would suggest to anybody that's wanting one, I would definitely park here. They've got outdoor pool, which is community run, which I think is absolutely amazing. You've got the seafront. It's a bit more boggy. We've been closer to Bristol side, so you're between Bristol and Weston-super-Mare. But yeah, so there's a lovely cafe just there, which was reasonably priced. They gave us some water yesterday because we were struggling for some water. It's 20p for the toilet, which doesn't bother me whatsoever. Cheaper than cleaning them out. There is a gorgeous boating lake here, and they've even got like the boat and a water feature. There's a park, there's a skate park, there's tennis courts. Hello duckies. Hello little duckies. Hello duckies. And do you know something, another thing I'm really impressed with, I'm far away from it, but they have recycle points. And like I'm used to seeing just the little ones here and there and dotted everywhere. They have so many here for all different things. They have one for fishing line, obviously one's for dog waste, one's for plastic. Like everywhere you look there's just recycle points and bins, and you're not that far from some shops. So there is supermarkets here, there's an Aldi, a Lidl, a Sainsbury's, there's a garage here, there's a petrol because I had to go because soda hasn't been too well. Yeah, so I'm well impressed. So VanLifers, if you're just looking for somewhere to park up, one for the books. I rather. And woo! I've left him with all three dogs. He is not my friend.